Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Xiaomi 13 Lite. For that, you want to go ahead and take your SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip and look for the SIM card slot, and on this phone it's down here. Apparently you need to put a lot of pressure on, and then this is our SIM card slot, and we're gonna go ahead and put our SIM card in. We have space for 2 SIM cards. I only have 1, and then we're gonna put that back in the phone. So now we need to enter the pin for our SIM card, and now we are back in the phone. And hopefully it will have a signal anytime soon. And there we go. So now we can make phone calls, send SMS, and whatever else. So that's how you insert a SIM card to your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.